Welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change permissions to access our photos and videos in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our settings, we have to go to settings. We need to go privacy, security and privacy options right here, and here at the bottom we have permission manager. Now we're looking for photos and videos options, and here we have as of right now 7 out of 17 apps are allowed to use our photos and videos. Let's change it. Here are applications that are allowed to use our functions, and here are not allowed. Let's say that I don't want Bixby Vision to have access to my photos and videos. I can use ask every time on don't allow at all. Yes, we have to agree to this little pop-up here, do not allow anyway. And now our Bixby is not allowed to access our photos or videos. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.